Kasi tindat ka na hanggat kamubugayan. Kaya ngiti-kiti ka ba ng halang. Imjay maranjay para kita may namanggay mo. Yere chimahi taliatong jay rave.
Most people in remote villages in Madagascar with the worst drought it has known in the past 40 years. From the drought, suffering from the famine, seeing everyone leaving their villages and beg was really like a revelation for me. I wanted to do. Amnesty International is one of the organizations that went on the ground to make research and study the link between climate change and right to food in Madagascar, and to collect the voice of those who are the most vulnerable to the consequences of climate change.
Nanomboka amin'ny teny atrefa haintany zao, matimaty ty biby ompegny, omby, osy, akoho amam-borona, de maty aby io satria tsisy sakafo hany. Vady aman-janaky manko mijaly satria tsisy vola hiviliana sakafo. Fara miteraky problemo ho anay, ty fanagnako manontolo rava, tsy misy. Ka io fanagna io zany ty agnomanagna ty hoavin-tegna. Zany lasa marisarisa zany le zaza lasa mahia, reraky.
Zahay taloha, nihinagny 3 sanandro. Zahay hananaka zao agnaty 3 taogna zay, zara na mahatrea hariva raiky. Pantoandro manomboky maraindray jusque ty hariva iandro tsy mihinagna.
In towns they don't even know, sleeping in the street, losing all their dignity.
Mahatonga anay niala fitotany ay jale, tsisy ty raha atao, lany tetekely.